Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator, and this is today's market update for September 17, 2020. If you look at the SPY chart, so today the market is coming down right into the 50-day moving average, and this one they hold up before, they hold up again. So let's see where the market heading to. So right now we tuck into the rainbow here between the top and the bottom here. So we don't know exactly where the market is trying to do yet. So in the shorter term, if you see that the last couple of days the market have been up and down between this rainbow here. So they found a support, they bounce back up, they hit the resistance, they come down. So the market, they don't tell you clearly exactly where they go. So we have to stick in the rainbow for a little bit before we have a clear direction where they are heading to. If you look at the other index, the Dow, it also get stuck into this area here. So if they break this line here, they can go down further, but if they hold up, we still stay in the rainbow here. And the NQ it also do the same thing. So we are back and forward between rainbow here, like the SPY. So in order for them to give you clear direction, they either break down to go further south here, or they break up and continue to the uptrend. So we will see it in next week, because this week we have the Fed meeting, so that one already done. Now they have a option expire tomorrow, so after tomorrow we'll have a clear direction where the market heading to, probably by next week. And the Russell 2000 that also get stuck into this area here. They go up, hit the resistance, pull back down, support, bouncing back up, go, it try to bounce back up from the support level here. And all at the last couple of days they gain some momentum because the hurricane, they shut down 25% production, so they put the price up. So right now they're at the resistance. So if they can clear that one here, they go higher, otherwise they have to pull back to the support level there. And bond, they hit to the sell zone and then they pull back down. Now they have some support here. Let's see, they can bounce back up, or if they break below here, they will continue to the downside. The euro is also bouncing from the support and push it back up. So they stick at the resistance here. If they be able to continue up, they have to retest the sell zone up there. Bitcoin also gained some momentum, but they have trouble at the resistance here. In order for them to go higher, they have to break through this line and retest that line in order for them to make another high. So if you look at the overall market today, they are sideways, choppy in the first the whole day. But you can see here in our live trading room, we were able to guide our member when the market opened at 6:30 Pacific time. The market will back. They go right into the buy zone. We're able to guide our member to take the whole trade from here to the resistance, and done for the day. Okay, so from 33, 35 up to 33.60. Okay, so that every point move is $50. So we trade live with our member in our live trading room. This is what we are doing every day for short-term income, daily income. And then we also analyze a lot of stock for members so that they can take a longer swing trade, so they can make more profit potential to build up their account in the long run. So if you look at a lot of stock, even some stock that from transportation like UPS, yesterday we told you people took profit, and the FedEx, the people also hit to the target price. People took some profit down. And a lot of retail stock also, hit the all-time high, and people took some profit. Okay, like Croc, okay, and okay, so they hit all-time high. People just take it down a little bit to make sure, and F, they also took some profit when they hit to the resistance. And the bank is still going sideways, like the market. They have not give you the clear direction where they're heading to. They were stuck in here. So Bank of America, JP Morgan, and it still stick in the triangle here. The only one bank, like Capital One, is strong, but they hit the resistance and then they pull back down again. A lot of airline stock is still try to push it back up, but they still didn't give you a strong momentum yet. UV Southwest Airline, they hit to the resistance, they pull back down also. Delta Airline, they also try to find a way up, but they still have a lot of trouble to push it higher. If you look at a lot of stock, even market is going down, but McDonald's, okay, still hanging strong there, and the home builder, okay, like Toll Brothers, you can see that still strong, okay, the HI. So those stocks are the stocks that we highlight, we analyze during the weekly market forecast. The whole week it performed extremely well, and let me see here. So a lot of stock like Home Depot low at they hit here to resistance, so people took some profit. Okay, so that's all we have for you this week, and overall market is still sideways, so we stick with the sideways until they give it the clear direction, because this week is the Fed meeting, and now we have a option expire tomorrow. So after this week, probably next week, the market will give it more clear direction where they're heading to. All right, so if you are not our member, please sign up with our YouTube channels. Every time we have a new video, we will let you know, so that you know where the market heading to. If you would like to learn how to make some extra daily income daily in our live trading room, or learn how to swing trade to make a bigger profit potential, please check out our website at stocknavigator.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching. We'll see you on the weekly market forecast. Thank you and have a nice weekend.